Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League if you don't win on that league or if you are just disappointed of that league. So this is also not possible in Premier League app itself, so you gotta use the browser that you prefer. I'm gonna use Google Chrome as of now, but you can use any one that you like. So after you're inside the browser, you're gonna search for Fantasy Premier League, and this is the official link for Fantasy Premier League. So after you're inside, you need to log in into your account, and you gotta go into more, and you're gonna click on leagues and cups. So after you click on that, you'll see the name of the leagues that you're inside, and you're gonna click on the settings button that you wanna leave. So here is the settings, and at second you'll see leave league if it is the league of other people. So this is how you leave your league or leave others league. You just need to click on this leave league button and you'll be done and you'll be left from that league. So I'm not gonna actually leave the league now because it's just the beginning, but this is how you leave the league, and I know you have the gist of how you leave a league right now. So I believe I've taught you guys how to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.